Ever wondered why Botox is often the talk of the town when discussing anti-aging treatments? Or why it's also shrouded in a myriad of misconceptions? We're here to debunk myths like it's dangerous, results in a frozen face, or is exclusive for the elite. So, now that we've debunked some myths, let's dive into what Botox really is and how it compares to other anti-aging treatments. Botox, facelifts, fillers, oh my, the anti-aging market is flooded with options. But how does Botox stack up against the rest? Unlike facelifts, Botox is non-surgical and minimally invasive. It targets specific areas, leaving the rest of your face free to express as it naturally would. Compared to fillers, Botox lasts longer and requires fewer treatments. And creams? Well, they might moisturize, but they don't offer the same level of wrinkle-smoothing prowess. Botox certainly holds its own in the anti-aging arena, but what makes it so effective? Let's delve a little deeper. Botox, a household name in anti-aging treatments, but what makes it tick? Botox, short for botulinum toxin, works by blocking nerve signals in the muscles where it's injected. This causes a temporary reduction in muscle activity, effectively smoothing out wrinkles and fine lines. The treatment process is straightforward, with tiny injections administered directly into the muscle. The effectiveness of Botox varies from person to person, but generally, you can expect the results to last between 3 to 6 months. Over time, with regular treatments, some may find that they can wait longer between sessions as the effects last longer. Now, let's talk about side effects. Like any treatment, Botox does come with potential side effects, but they are usually minimal and temporary. The most common include slight bruising at the injection site, a mild headache, or flu-like symptoms. To ensure the best results and minimize side effects, it's crucial to seek a qualified and experienced professional for your Botox treatment. They'll know the correct dosage and injection sites to give you a natural, rejuvenated look. Remember, optimal Botox application is all about enhancing your natural features, not changing them. So there you have it, Botox demystified. It's not just a buzzword in the beauty industry, but a scientifically backed treatment that can help you reclaim your youthful glow.